Sylvester and I am a student at Webasha Technologies. So basically I am fond of learning new things. So then I searched on the Google saying that what are the great courses and everything. So read at RHCSA, that is the course EX200. So it was recommended, and then I searched it and on the Google Maps, and it showed me the Webasha. So once I visited the training institution, Mayank sir was there and he guided me so well, and he told me to go for RHCSA and RHCE, and also if you want to do additional courses you can go for AWS also, which I would prefer to you also guys. And then Satyendra sir and Chan sir helped me in completing my RHCSA course, that is around 2 months duration. Also the lab practice, that is of 15 days. Satyendra sir and Chan sir, they took it very conveniently with me, making me come to the lab. That is the environment here. They have multiple machines, you can sit anywhere you want. They will guide you with all the system capabilities, and also they will try to help you if you are stuck at any questions. Yes, and the lab environment is like really awesome here, and also there were like 2-3 of my friends who I recommended them to come here, and they also certified as a Red Hat system administrator. So I would also tell you my guys, just join, I would highly recommend you all to join the Webasha training center and complete your courses and fulfill your dreams and get into your highly profile jobs. And also I completed the CCNA course from Webasha Technologies. The teaching is excellent, and any doubts you have, you can just clarify to Satyendra sir or Chan sir. They will help you within no time. And also I would highly recommend you all to join the classes, and it's been like a friend to friend journey with sir and with all the employees also here. So I would like to tell and thank all of the members here in Webasha Technologies for guiding me and helping me in completing my RHCSA. Thank you.